Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I want to show you how to make mini frittata al forno, which is a baked frittata with zucchini and ricotta. Prepare the baking pan by oiling it and adding a piece of parchment paper on each cupcake holder. In a mixing bowl, whisk the eggs until combined. Mix in the ricotta and remove any lumps. Add the nutmeg, the salt, the olive oil, the Parmigiano Reggiano, and the zucchini. Mix everything together until combined. Add the flour and mix again. Fill each cupcake holder with the mixture almost to the top. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Release the frittata from the pan and place it in a cooling rack. Remember to remove the piece of parchment paper. Serve warm or at room temperature. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time.